The MQ-9 Reaper is a very important aircraft. It is a remotely piloted aircraft, often called a drone. It has truly changed how modern wars are fought. Military forces around the world now understand its power. The Reaper is not just a simple surveillance tool, it is a complex and capable weapon system. Its development marks a significant step forward. It allows for missions that were once too dangerous for pilots. This aircraft has ushered in a new age of combat. The importance of the Reaper comes from its many uses. It can perform a wide variety of military tasks. It can watch enemy movements from very high altitudes. It can also attack targets on the ground with great accuracy. This ability to both see and strike is incredibly valuable. Before the Reaper, these tasks often needed several different aircraft, or they required soldiers to go into dangerous enemy territory. The Reaper helps reduce these risks for our forces. The MQ-9 Reaper is built by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. It is a more advanced version of the older MQ-1 Predator. However, the Reaper is much larger and far more powerful. It can fly for longer periods. It can also carry many more weapons. Its introduction showed a clear shift towards more capable unmanned systems. Military leaders quickly saw its amazing potential on the battlefield. They knew it could give them a strong advantage over any enemy. This aircraft is more than just a piece of military hardware. It represents a new strategy in modern warfare. It allows for what is called persistent surveillance. This means it can watch an area for a very long time without stopping. It can also take immediate action if a threat appears. This combination is a powerful force on the battlefield. The Reaper's endurance gives commanders a constant view of the situation. It has become a true symbol of modern air power. The MQ-9 Reaper has truly impressive technical specifications. It is designed to fly at very high altitudes. Its operational ceiling can reach up to 50,000 feet. This high altitude keeps it safe from many types of ground fire. It also gives its advanced sensors a very wide view of the ground below. This capability is crucial for effective surveillance missions. Flying so high also makes it difficult for enemies to detect and target the aircraft. This enhances its survivability in hostile areas. Speed is another key feature of the MQ-9 Reaper. It can achieve a cruise speed of around 230 miles per hour. This is significantly faster than its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator. This increased speed allows it to reach target areas more quickly. It can also rapidly move to different locations if mission priorities change. While it is not as fast as a modern jet fighter, its speed is perfectly suited for its specific roles. It balances the need for quick response with long flight times. Endurance is perhaps the Reaper's most outstanding characteristic. It can remain airborne for over 27 hours continuously. Some configurations can even extend this flight time further. This remarkable loiter time is extremely valuable for military operations. It means the Reaper can monitor a specific target or area for an entire day or even longer. This continuous presence provides an unbroken stream of vital intelligence to commanders. It also allows it to patiently wait for the optimal moment to strike, if needed. The Reaper is also a formidable armed platform. It is capable of carrying a significant and varied weapons load. These weapons include AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. These are used for highly accurate strikes against ground targets. It can also carry laser-guided bombs such as the GBU-12 Paveway 2. This substantial firepower allows the Reaper to effectively engage and neutralize enemy combatants, vehicles, and even fortified structures. The ability to carry multiple weapons means it can address several threats in a single sortie. One of the primary roles of the MQ-9 Reaper is conducting surveillance. It employs a suite of powerful sensors to closely monitor activities on the ground. It can operate effectively during both day and night. It can also perform in a variety of weather conditions. The information it gathers is transmitted back to ground control stations in real time. This provides commanders with a clear and current picture of the battlefield. This persistent stare is invaluable for tracking enemy movements and patterns. Intelligence gathering is a critical function closely related to surveillance. The Reaper collects various forms of intelligence data. This includes high-resolution visual imagery from its cameras. It also gathers electronic signals intelligence. Furthermore, it can intercept communications, providing communications intelligence. This comprehensive data helps military analysts understand enemy intentions, capabilities, and plans. The Reaper's long endurance allows it to collect vast amounts of detailed information over extended periods. This thorough intelligence is essential for effective mission planning. Strike missions are another vital capability of the MQ-9 Reaper. When a hostile target is identified and confirmed, the Reaper can engage it with precision. This is frequently accomplished using its Hellfire missiles. These missiles are known for their exceptional accuracy. This helps to minimize the risk of collateral damage to unintended areas or persons. The ability to find a target, fix its position, and then finish it from a single platform is highly efficient. This rapid response can be decisive in fast-paced combat scenarios. The Reaper also provides crucial support to ground forces. It can fly ahead of friendly patrols to scout for potential dangers, such as ambushes or improvised explosive devices. It can maintain overwatch during complex ground operations, offering a protective eye in the sky. If friendly troops come under attack, the Reaper can deliver close air support. This means it can engage enemy forces that are directly threatening Allied soldiers. This support significantly enhances the safety and operational effectiveness of ground units in hostile environments. The MQ-9 Reaper is equipped with a wide array of advanced technologies. Its sophisticated sensor suite is a core feature. This suite includes high-resolution electro-optical cameras for daylight operations. It also features infrared sensors that provide clear vision during the night. Many Reaper aircraft are also fitted with advanced radar systems. For example, the Lynx multi-mode radar can see through clouds, dust, and smoke. These sensors provide detailed imagery from significant distances, allowing for precise target identification. Effective communication systems are absolutely essential for the Reaper's operation. It primarily uses secure satellite communication links. These links connect the aircraft with its remotely located operators. These operators are often situated thousands of miles away from the actual combat zone. The vast amounts of data from the Reaper's sensors are transmitted securely. Flight commands and weapon deployment instructions are also relayed through these encrypted channels. This robust communication network enables its global operational reach and responsiveness. While human operators always make the final decision for using lethal force, the Reaper possesses significant autonomous capabilities. It can navigate itself along pre-programmed flight paths without direct pilot input. It can also perform automatic takeoffs and landings at suitably equipped airbases. These autonomous functions help to reduce the workload on the human pilots. This allows them to concentrate more on critical mission tasks, such as detailed surveillance or precise targeting. These features enhance overall operational efficiency and safety. The strategic advantages provided by the MQ-9 Reaper are truly substantial. It offers persistent situational awareness over vast areas. It delivers precision strike capabilities while significantly reducing the risk to military personnel. Operating the Reaper is often more cost-effective for long-duration surveillance missions compared to many manned aircraft. Its very presence in a region can serve as a deterrent to potential adversaries and provide reassurance to allies. The Reaper has undeniably reshaped modern warfare, becoming an indispensable asset for intelligence and power projection.